What would you use a cobot for if you had one? And what can you use a cobot for anyways? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Michelle from MySolutions, and if you're wondering what a cobot is and how you can use it, you've come to the right place. So I'd say let's get started. The term cobot stands for collaborative robot. It is a fully functioning robot, but it can work together with humans and does not have to be separated by safety systems during the production process. It can work independently or, as I said, together with humans. And some cobots can even dance. You don't believe me? Check out the video in the info box and you'll know what I mean. Cobots can be used in many different ways. For example, in the automotive industry for assembling vehicles, or in the food industry for packaging and sorting food. Some cobots are even used in the kitchen, where they whip up delicious meals in no time. They are particularly useful for tasks that would be physically straining for humans. Repetitive and labor-intensive work is perfect for them. For example, if a human has to do this monotonous movement all day, his shoulder would hurt quite badly after a while. These tasks are, for example, screwing, gluing, assembling components, or handling workpieces. And these tasks are taken over by cobots to make the work for the human easier. By the way, in medicine, cobots are even used for operations. They are more flexible and can be quickly adapted to new tasks. Like everything in life, there's also a downside here. Cobots are not as powerful as normal industrial robots and cannot be used for all applications. Even though they are quite precise, especially when guided by a human, and thus can be very helpful, as I said, in operations, for example, but high precision is not their strength. As soon as we go in the microns range, they start to weaken. There are no muscle men either. Tasks where you have to lift heavy loads, for example in the heavy industry, are taken over by the normal industrial robots. To sum this up now, neither cobots nor normal industrial robots are better or worse than the other. Cobots are used to work together with humans and are more flexible. Normal industrial robots are used for high precision work and heavy loads. So which one suits you entirely depends on what task you have and what environment there is. If you need any help with that or you have any questions, just leave a comment. I hope this video could help you. If you liked it, please leave us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more videos about technology and industry. Check out our other social media channels too, there's a lot to discover there. So I'll see you there or in the next video. Bye!